You just found a huge crack in your foundation, and your first thought is that you have to fix it before selling your home. Hold on. That repair, and four others I'm about to share, are often giant warning signs that it's actually time to sell instead. I'm a real estate agent with over a decade of experience helping homeowners navigate some of the toughest situations of their lives. I've seen people sink tens of thousands of dollars into repairs only to discover buyers still back out or demand price cuts anyway. Let's start with foundation issues. Maybe you spot a crack in the drywall. Then it grows. Doors stop closing properly. Floors start feeling uneven. You panic and call a foundation repair company. They'll come out, show you some alarming photos, and hand you a quote for $15,000, $30,000, or even $50,000. But here's the thing. A significant foundation problem is rarely an isolated issue. It can mean the soil beneath your house is unstable, poor drainage that's been undermining your slab for years, or shifting ground that no amount of peering can permanently solve. Plus, even if you pay for expensive repairs, buyers will still see that disclosure and wonder what else is wrong with this house. A foundation repair can stigmatize a property and trigger more scrutiny during inspections. Instead of spending $30,000 or more only to face suspicious buyers, many homeowners find it's financially smarter to sell as is. Investors are used to dealing with these issues. They'll price it into their offers, and you avoid risking more money or your sanity. Second, let's talk about your roof. A few missing shingles might not seem like a big deal, but that small leak can turn into hidden rot and mold. A new roof averages around $15,000, but if the wood decking underneath is damaged, it can balloon to $30,000 or more. Buyers expect a solid roof. They won't pay you an extra $15,000 because you replaced it. They'll just skip a house that needs one. Third is widespread mold or water damage. It might start with a musty smell in the basement or a small stain on drywall. But behind that wall could be soaked insulation, rotting wood, and serious structural damage. Mold remediation often costs $5,000 to $15,000, and even after cleanup, buyers are still terrified. Mold creates not only a physical problem, but a psychological one that can scare people away. Next is a cascade of failing major systems, your HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. These systems are the heart and lungs of your home, and when one fails, the others usually aren't far behind. Replacing an old furnace might cost $8,000. Rewiring an entire house can be $15,000. Fixing corroded plumbing can easily be another $10,000. Suddenly, you're in the middle of a $50,000 renovation. Buyers expect these systems to work, but they won't pay you more for them being new. Trying to fix one piece while leaving old systems in place only raises more red flags during inspection. Finally, there's termite or pest damage. A pre-listing inspection might reveal active termites, or worse, significant past damage. Treatment could be a few $1,000s, but if they've eaten through your floor joists or support beams, repairs can skyrocket to $20,000 or more. The problem isn't just cost, it's stigma. Even after repairs, buyers fear unseen damage lurking in walls or floors. The mere mention of termites on a disclosure can kill deals before they start. Selling as is isn't waving a white flag. It's a smart business move. Instead of pouring money into repairs with uncertain returns, you hand off the problem to professionals who handle ugly houses every day. Investors like We Buy Ugly Houses look for homes with exactly these issues. They're equipped with crews, budgets, and experience to fix things quickly and efficiently. You avoid months of construction headaches, price uncertainty, and hidden surprises behind your walls. And you walk away with cash in hand and peace of mind. So let's recap. The 5 big red flags that often mean it's time to sell instead of repair are: major foundation problems, a full roof replacement tied to hidden damage, widespread mold or water issues, a cascade of failing major systems, serious termite or pest damage. These aren't just costly repairs. They're signals that your house might need more than you can or should give it. Trying to fix them yourself can be financially and emotionally draining. Selling as is could be the smartest move you'll ever make. If you're facing one of these issues, drop a comment below. Let me know what's going on, and I'd be happy to share my honest advice. Thanks so much for watching.